are currently at the Indonesian National Library. Here we will explain about the history of the National Library.
The history of National Library of Indonesia began with the establishment of Batavia's Genus Chap on April 242. 1778. This institution was the pioneer of National Library of Indonesia and was only disbanded in 1950. Initially, the National Library of the Republic of Indonesia was one of the embodiments of the implementation and development of the National Library System in a comprehensive and integrated manner. Since its painting was proclaimed on 17 Mei 1980 by the Minister of Education and Culture Daud Yusuf. When its position was still within the Ministry of Education and Culture at the echelon level under the Directorate General of Culture, and this agency was the result of the integration of the four major libraries in Jakarta.
The four libraries, all of which are subordinate bodies of the Director General of Culture, National Museum Library, Historical, Political and Social Library, DKI Jakarta Regional Library, Bibliography and Deposit Division, Library Development Center.
Even though the National Library was officially established in the mid-1980, the overall integration was only carried out in January 1981. Until 1987, National Library of Indonesia was located in their separate place, namely still on Jalan Merdeka Barat 12, National Museum, Jalan Merdeka Selatan 11, SPS Library, and Jalan Imam Bonjol 1, Proclamation Text Museum. As head of the National Library is Miss Mastini Harjoprakoso, MLS, former head of the National Museum Library.
Of the initiatives of the late Mr. Tien Soeharto through the Harapan Kita Foundation, which she leads, the National Library received donation of more than 16,000 meter persegi of land, along with a new 9-story building and a renovated building. The land is location of JL Salemba Raya 28A Central, Jakarta, is the location of Koning William III School, which was the first HBS school in Indonesia during the colonial era. This building was later renovated into the main building used for the leadership and secretariat of Vice. The 9th floor adjacent building functions as the actual library, where collection of library materials are stored and serviced to the public.
With the completion of the construction of several new and renovated buildings on Jalan Salemba Raya 28 in early 1987, the leadership and staff of the division, except the collection section, moved to that location. The new building and all its equipment in infinity, all activities under one roof, which were previously scattered in several places in Jakarta. At the 9th anniversary of National Library of Indonesia, the complex was officially opened, which was marked by the payment of a marble inscription by President Emir Tien Soeharto on March 11, 1989.
However, in the line with the inauguration of the complex, there was actually another event that was no less important. History records that 5 days earlier, on March 6, 1989 to be exact, a monumental decision was decided by the President of the Republic of Indonesia through Presidential Decree No. 11 of 1989, stipulating and the National Library, after being merged with the Library Development Center, become an institution non-governmental government, which in the location under and directly responsible to the President. This increase in institutional status also means that on the National Library in the release from the jurisdiction of the Director General of Culture, Ministry of Education and Culture, the Ministry of Education, Culture in the parent agency, which has risen in since 1980.
Mirs Mastini Hadropo Prakorso is still entered by the government to lead the new institution. This phase at the same time form the government's commitment in raising the stand of liberty and watch to for have always been forgotten according to record at the time of the merger. The number of collection was around 6,000 copies, and by around 5,000 allocation into splendid place Jalan Salemba Raya nomor 23A and the Jalan Merdeka Selatan number 11 Corvin Desember 1999. The number of the selection is estimate at 1,100 and the number of exponent is 6,000 people.
With the increasing workload and in line with the National Library of Indonesia tips in implementing excellent service to the community, Presidential Decree No. 50 of 1997 that December 29, 1991 was issued. This presidential decree perfected the organizational structure, mandate, and functions of the National Library to anticipate the information globalization era that is getting closer. Among these improvement is creating a deputy position at Helen IB level and raising the status of the provincial National Library to excellent 2. Continue the previous leadership. Hernandono MA MLS has been the head of National Library since October 1998.
The National Library of the Republic of Indonesia is now a library with a national perspective in the true sense, namely an institution which not only serves members of a particular scientific association but also serves members of society from all walks of life and classes. Although open to the public, the collection is closed and it's not alone or to take home. The service is not limited to a service for scientific development efforts, but also in meeting the needs of library materials, especially in the fields of social sciences and humanity, in order to educate the nation's life.